Can it really be true? Kreg Tool Company has discontinued the K4 and the K5? Stick around for the details. So many of you are aware, last week Kreg Tool Company released the new 520 Pro and 720 Pro Pocket-Hole Jigs. A couple days later they announced they're discontinuing the K4 and the K5. The K4 and the K5 are the two most popular pocket-hole jigs. Kreg has decided that the 520 and the 720 Pro pocket-hole jigs are far superior. I have tested and reviewed both the 520 and 720 Pro, and you can find links to those reviews at the end of this video. In my personal opinion, they both lack features. My videos have been reviewed by thousands of people, and the feedback that I'm receiving is that many of you are not so excited about the new jigs either. I've done my research and looked at some of the reviews that some of the other woodworkers have produced. Some are clearly infomercials, only describing the very best of features, while others point out the many flaws that these two jigs contain. Only you can decide if the 520 Pro and the 720 Pro are jigs that are going to be in your shop. For all of you who still don't own a pocket hole jig, time is running out for you to get the ever popular K4 and K5. I personally have decided to purchase a K5 to replace my K4 here in my own shop. There aren't many left, but there are a few, and I'll leave links in the description below to help you find them. If you go to kregtool.com and try to purchase the K4 and the K5, you will find that they've been discontinued and are no longer available. Check out the affiliate links that I have listed below, and you'll still find a few online, but supplies are running low and they're eventually going to run out. Hey, if you like this news update, give me a thumbs up. Here in the Woodworking Garage, we do how-to videos and tool reviews and follow the latest trends. So I encourage you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and ask any questions and leave your comments down below.